Okay, so we want to solve a question in the belt drive system. We have pulley 2 driving pulley 3 and pulley 4 driving pulley 5 and 6. So I'm looking for the angular velocity of 5. It's just this driving 3, 4 driving 5. I don't have to consider the 6. I'm looking for the angular velocity of 6. It's just 2 driving 3, 4 driving 6. I don't consider the 5, but our formula that we generated earlier. So over here, we want to look for the angular velocity of pulley 5, given that the various diameters are this, and then the input or the pulley 2 is running at 1500 rpm. Okay, so from 2 to 5, we know we have what omega 5 on omega 2 to be equal to d2 plus thickness of first belt all on d3 plus thickness of first belt. That means driver over driven times, so the next driver is what, 4 driving 5, so d4 plus thickness of second belt all over d5 plus thickness of second belt, all multiplying 1 minus slip of 2 on 100, 1 minus slip of 3 on 100, 1 minus slip of 4 on 100, 1 minus slip of 5 on 100. Okay, there are conditions. The first condition is that the slip at each drive pulley is 2% and the thickness of the belt, each belt, is 10 millimeters. So in this case, S3 is equal to S5, which is S3 is driven, S5 is driven, and they said they didn't mention the slip for the driven, so that means they are 0. And they said the driver, which is S2, which is equal to S4. They said the slip at each driver, right? So that would be equal to 2 over 100, 2%. And the diameters have been given here. So diameter, we have D2 to be 700, D3 to be 1000, and D4 to be 400, D5 as 800. So omega 5 all on omega 2, which is 1500, put it here, should be equal to D2 is 700, so 700 plus 10 all on D3 1000, so 1000 plus 10 multiplying D4 is 400, and thickness of second belt is also 10 all on D5, which is 800, and thickness of second belt is also 10. 1 minus S2 2 on 100, S3 1 minus 0 on 100, S4 1 minus 2 on 100, S5 1 minus 0 on 100. So we just find omega 5. So we're going to have omega 5 to be equal to every term here. So we have 710. So into bracket 710 all on 1010 multiplying 410 all on 810. I'm adding the 10, 1 minus 2 on 100, then 1 minus 2 on 100. I wouldn't do those that have 0 slips because they will go to 1, there will be 1 there. So I have 0.3417 times 1500. So omega 5 is 512.60 rpm.